Gentlemen, as you should all benefit from every question
Random people in the hallway.
Oh my god.
I'm a stalker.
You're a dork. Oh my god.
Hi.
Why aren't you dressed up today?
I think you were talking about
I'm recording again. No, not that I know of. I see males. And a dude with a very bright sweater. And rocks. I like this one. It's actually a glass rock. Yeah, I'm gonna go now. Won't stop till you hit that house. Woo! I spin apple cider.
It actually tastes good.
It does.
Let me get this episode. Wait. From Josie.
Josie.
The link leader.
Josie Nauer. Is she short? I know her.
She's awesome. Wait.
Rebecca.
She's really good.
Please don't choke. I can play hide and go seek. I'm going to name this little Tootsie Roll. Not just Tootsie Roll, because that is its name, but it needs an exotic name.
Oh my god.
I know.
Go on. Chadwick?
Look at this one.
Why?
Levante.
Oh, man.
Levante?
Levante.
No.
Sarah, look at this.
Going to the
Are you taking
computer.
movies? Don't
Yes.
take movies in here. Turn it off.
No. What is that?
Too bad. You are.
It's recording. Getting some chalk. I got the tiny pieces. Why'd you get the big ones? Potato. It's not a potato. Silly.
There, I emailed Mr. Palumbo
Holy crap.
saying, please give you that AOC drawing sheet, Heritage Federation one.
Hey, you can't do it. It's like send dishes to your phone.
Yeah, but you probably need an email address, and you can't do that here. All right, let's see what else for Sarah. Sarah Labs.
How's that video? Hi, Cassie! Hi, Ashley! State your name! I see Caitlin, and Vicky, and Cassie down there, and the other Cassie, and Kaylee, and Sapphire. Hi, Sapphire! No! Kobe! No! I can't read it. It doesn't say it in here. On the side. Read on the side. Read on the side. Lick a stick. That's what it says. Ah, like a stick. I'm putting trick or treating. I don't got time for this. Okay.
Where's your phone? Oh, it's in the pocket.
You killed it!
What are you doing? Stop.
Look at it! Look at it!
I am in the hallway.
With her. Keep me out of this. I don't want any part of your shenanigans. Look at our feet. Congratulations, you have officially been the first person in their court shoes. On the floor. Quick, put the camera at her. No. What are you doing? Recording a video. Hey, how's it going? Wanna make you back at me on the side of the
I don't give a shit. Look at all the shit on there. Oh yeah. Now we're going into the gym.
Yay. Yay.
Ladies first. My phone went flying. It's all you. Into the locker room we go. Me either, but oh well, it's not difficult to just sit out.
We had this club today.
We did?
Yeah.
Let's fuck with a bitch.
I just put my details in my backpack. Yeah, sure.
Ask you.
What do you do?
Oh yeah. Look at that. Anyway.
Guy, you get distracted by everything, don't you?
What a fuzzy thing.
Anyway. Are you playing? I'm just too lazy to take off my pants. I really got buttons and put on my armbands because it's cold. And they have holes in them. Can I see them? Yes, you may see them.
Are you taking pictures or are you recording?
She's being random, that's what she's doing.
Is it recording?
You see a light?
Yes, but
There's your answer.